Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my 5-minute no foundation makeup routine. Here's me without makeup and with makeup. A super fast and simple look. Make sure to turn your language voiceover in the settings and let's dive in. Concealer. We will hide all imperfections under the eyes, including blue veins. Choose one with a matte finish. It's not sticky and it's very comfortable to wear. I also apply it on my nose because I have large pores here. It helps absorb oil. Blend it out using circular motions. Then slide the excess product down to the perimeter of the face, creating a thin layer. Just look at that. It doesn't even look like you have anything on your center of your face. Keep using circular motions around the nose, cheeks, and forehead anywhere you have pores. You are basically just polishing them. Blush time. I bought the new Viral blush because all my previous products have a glowy, dew texture. This one is matte, not too much, and I love the color range actually, and it melts beautifully with the warmth of your fingertips and blends seamlessly using the same brush. Use circular motions on the cheeks, swiping it towards the outer corners of the eyes for a lifted look. I apply it like contour on the cheekbones, blend it higher towards the temples. And here's my favorite tip for a fresher look. Add a bit on the nose for that sun-kissed or slightly sunburned effect. I also use the same product on my lips. The velvet texture feels so comfortable, lightweight, and you barely feel it on. Nice for hot summer days. Eyebrows. Start by brushing them out. I begin with the lower line. It should be parallel to the upper line. Fill in any gaps and draw the tail. Don't worry, if you press too hard with the pencil, you can always brush it out. That's the beauty of using pencils. If you brush out more than you expected, just go back and add a few strokes again. I will add more to the tails now, and let's compare the two brows. As you can see, I have very thin hairs and they are barely visible. I have to color them every month. Now let's do the other side. Again, find two parallel lines, draw the low line, then the tail. Mark the highest point of your eyebrow and connect it to the tail. Fill in all the gaps. Only after that should you move to the front of the brow. And finally, don't forget to brush it out. This removes any excess pencil or wax texture between the hairs and softens visible strokes on the skin. I also use the same product as a lip liner, a technique I've loved for years, about 10 years now since I started my career as a pro makeup artist. Outline your lips, then blend with your fingertip. It gives your lips a fuller, softly defined look, creating a sculptured effect with a shadow and light contrast. If you prefer more visible effect, apply more and skip the second blending. Personally, I like soft edges, so I blend them with a Q-tip, no brush this time. Look at the difference between the two sides. Eyeliner, the hardest part, I know. Doing it 5 minutes feels almost impossible. I start at the outer corner, feel how the liner prints, just lay it along the lash line and press lightly without stretching your skin. Feel how it works. If you have hooded eyes like me, gently stretch the skin a bit to even out the line with the tip of the marker. And keep your eye open wide. Find the point where the two lines should meet. Make a small stroke here. Identify where the crease is and stop just before it. Connect the two lines and fill in any gaps. Your wing can be longer or shorter depending on your mood or the occasion or your features. But here's a tip. Lightly smudge the end with your fingertip, nail, or a sharp brush. Now let's do the other side. After carefully printing along the lash line and perfecting the line with the tip, draw the wing. Just follow the low lash line direction and make the wing slightly longer. Even if you make some small mistakes, don't worry, we can hide them with mascara. That's our secret. Nobody's gonna know unless you tell them. A thick layer of mascara can cover up little imperfections. This one is perfect for me because it's gentle on sensitive eyes and safe for contact lens wearers. It washed off easily with warm water and is a true intense black. That's it. Hair done, change clothes and add a bit more blush to the lips. That's our final look. What do you think? Yes or no? And let me know in the comments what your must-have in your makeup routine that you can't live without. Thank you for watching, stay fabulous, and see you next.